Hello. Hi, good morning.
Very good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. Okay, in last class we discussed about process flow from MM to FI, and I think I explained regarding process flow from SD also. Okay, so usually in sales process, what will happen? First, we'll get the inquiry from customer. On the basis of inquiry, what we do, we are going to send a quotation to him. On that basis of quotation, customer is going to place the order. Okay, and that is what we call the sales order. And after that, on the basis of sales order, what we do, we are going to send the material to him or deliver the material to him. And after delivering the material, we are going to raise the bill. And on that basis, we are going to get the balance in finance level, right? This is the sales process. Usually this inquiry and quotation we will not going to see. Directly we go to sales order. And for that, doing that kind of entries or transactions, what are the configurations is required? First we'll check the configuration. Okay, usually this will be maintained by SD end users, sales and distribution end users. We already did integration with FI and SD. Now we'll check what are the configuration is required to maintain all these transactions. So first, in enterprise structure level, we require sales organization, then distribution channel, then divisions. Okay, these are all we created under enterprise structure level, right? Enterprise structure level we had created. Okay, then this is the first requisition to maintain the sales process. Then second one, we require a centralized customer. This also we did. Centralized customer, to create the centralized customers, what are the configurations we required, that we did in SD department or SD module, right? Then one more thing we require, as of now we not maintain that. That is what we call as pricing procedure. Pricing procedure means what are the discounts and any other charges what we are going to maintain or what we are going to levy on our customer, that will be maintained in pricing procedure. So example, if I am going to sell 1 lakh worth of goods, customer may ask discount, right? Customer may ask discount. So I can give 5% discount. That will be deduct from this 1 lakh, right? That will be deduct from this 1 lakh. And apart from that, assume that my customer is located in somewhere in Delhi or Mumbai. I need to transport that material to customer premises, right? For that I can charge 5% or 10% as delivery charges, or it is also called as freight charges. Freight means nothing but it is a transportation. I can charge transportation charge, and for that I'm going to give 5% discount. Customer may ask, right? For that, all this kind of other than cost, this is a cost, right? This is a price or value. Other than value, where we are going to show all these things, we are going to show all these things in pricing procedure. Usually this pricing procedure will be maintained by SD consultant. SD consultant will maintain the pricing procedure, and it is very toughest part of the SD module. Okay, it is the toughest part of the SD module. Here we are not going to create any pricing procedure. So what we do, we are going to use the existing one. There is a standard pricing procedure is there. Procedure called as RVAA01. This is a standard pricing procedure. What we'll do, we are going to use that standard one, and we are going to assign that standard pricing procedure to our company code. So without this pricing procedure, we cannot post any sales activities. sales activities. Okay, already we are having sales organization and customer. We'll check once. Then pricing procedure we are going to we'll see that one. Okay, we'll go to enterprise structure level. We'll check that one whether it is created or not. Okay, then centralized customer also we'll check. Then pricing procedure also we'll check. These are the sales related configurations. Okay, so I'll log into my system. Okay, for that configurations I used to come to IMG level, IMG, then go to SD, sales and distribution, sales and distribution, then so initially I'll go to enterprise structure and I'll check whether sales organization has created or not. So I'll go to enterprise structure, then assignment I'll go, and I'll go to sales and distribution. There we are having so many assignment to maintain. Let me check whether it has been assigned or not, or it is maintained or not. First I'll check with sales organization assigned to company code or not. Okay, click on position. My company code is PSD, right? This is not mine. This one is mine. A PSO1 is my sales organization that has been assigned to my company code. Okay, PSD. Okay, next assign distribution channel to sales organization. Okay, let me check that. Again, click on position, PSO1. Okay, there are total many purchase organizations. Sorry, sales organization. Okay, here we created 1, 2, 3. Okay, many things are there. Okay, so I'll take these two example. This is my sales organization. For that I created two distribution channel. One is direct sales and another one is dealer sales. The two distribution channel has been assigned to my sales organization. Okay, it has been done. Now I'll check with division, assign divisions to sales organization. Go to OVXA, click on position and sales organization, PSO1, enter. Okay, here I'll assign two divisions to sales organization. Okay, let me check with sales area. Sales area means it's a combination of sales organization, distribution channel and division. Let me check whether it is assigned or not. Position PSO1. Okay, it has been assigned. So this is a sales organization, distribution channel with division. Okay, this has been assigned. Okay, then next one, this one, assign sales organization, distribution channel and plant, OVX6. Okay, position again, PS41. Okay, my sales organization has been assigned with plant and distribution channel. Sorry, sales organization has been assigned with plant and distribution channel. Okay, these are the requirement things, and let me check with customer whether I created customer or not. Centralized customer, I'll go to XD03 and I'll put my company code as PSD. My customer, I'll check with my customer whether it has been created. Yes, I had created a centralized customer. Okay, no need to create it again, already it has been created, and related configurations also we did. Okay, so now what I'll do, now I need to create the pricing procedure. These two data we are having already with us, right? Now what I'll do, I'm going to create the pricing procedure. As I told you, we are not going to create anything here. We are going to use existing one. We are going to existing one. For this pricing procedure, I am going to assign to my company code. For that, I will come to IMG again. Then sales and distribution, basic function, then account assignment. Okay, it is not related to this one. Okay, pricing, here I am having a folder called pricing. Then pricing control. Okay, here define and assign pricing procedure. Define and assign pricing procedure. I don't know the T code. Okay, we'll get screen like this. There, double click on maintain pricing procedure. Double click on it. As I told you, we are having a predefined pricing procedure which is provided by SAP. We'll use that one. Okay, as I told you, RVAA01 is a standard pricing procedure. Okay, either I can use this pricing procedure as it is, or I can copy this one. We can create a new procedure by clicking new entry, but it is not advisable to create. Why? I'll let you know. So select RVAA01, then click on copy. Okay, then I'll change the name as PSD to PSD price. Okay, I'll give the description as ESD pricing procedure for company code ESD PR. Can give any name. Enter, and we'll get the screen like this. There I need to click on copy all button. Okay, you'll get information like this. Just press enter, and save. Okay, if you want to see the contents, what are the things you copied, just select PSD PR. This one is pricing procedure. You need to select, then double click on control data. It is not a standard one. Okay, what I'll do, this is not it is not required because it is not complete. Is there? Okay, let me check with RVACA. Yeah, this is correct one. Okay, I'll take this one. What I'll do, I'll delete this one. I don't require because it is not complete data is there. Not complete data is there. So what I'll do, I'm going to select RVAA01 is not complete pricing procedure. It is someone has deleted something. That's the reason we are not getting complete this one. So what I'll do, I'm not going to use RVAA01, but in your system you can use that one. I'll use RVACA I'll use. Let me check the control data. Yes, these are the contents we are having in this particular pricing procedure. Okay, from this I'll copy and I'll assign to my company. I'll select RVACA, copy and change to PSD PR, standard pricing procedure for company code PSD. Enter, then copy all, click on copy all. You will get information like this. Press enter, again warning like this. Press enter, enter. It's just a warning, it is not an error. Just enter. Okay, it is not there, not defined. Okay, enter. Okay, this one is not maintained. Okay, which is not maintained, you can skip that one. Okay, around 62 entries has been copied to my pricing procedure from standard one. Okay, if you want to see that one, first save it, then select PSDPR and double click on control data. Okay, these are the contents which was there in the standard pricing procedure. Okay, it is too lengthy, that's the reason I told you to copy from the standard one. It is highly complicated pricing procedure, that's the reason better you use the standard one. Okay, and one more thing at this level, one more thing you need to remember, you need to deselect all required entry. Deselect all required entry. See here, we are having one rounding of condition type as a required entry. So I need to deselect this. Okay, then come little bit down. Okay, you need to deselect all required entry screen or boxes, because what will happen at the time of posting, at the time of sales order posting, we may face a lot of error while if it is in required entry. So better deselect all these things and save. Okay, now this PSD PR I need to assign to my sales organization along with my distribution channel and division. So what I'll do, select, okay, so I'll come back from this screen. Okay, then I'll come to and I'll go to double click on define pricing procedure determination. Okay, it will get screen like this. Click on new entry. My sales organization PS01, distribution channel R1, sorry 01, division R1, and this is document procedure. If you press F4, you will get the document procedure, that is standard. Select A. No need to worry about all these things. If you press F4, you will get the data. From that data you can select. Okay, then customer pricing procedure, again it is standard. Then pricing procedure, just now we created PSD PR, and condition type PR00. PR00 means a sales price. PR00 is a selling price. All pricing procedure should be calculated on selling procedure. Selling price. Okay, save. Okay, this is a pricing procedure which we copied from the standard one, and we are going to use that one. Okay, now I'll come to easy access level and we'll do this one. We'll straight away post the sales order. So sales order T code is VA01, for delivery D code is VL01 and VL01, and for billing we are having T code called VF01. Then after this billing we can see the balance in FBL 5N. FBL 5N. Okay, we'll go to easy access, logistics, sales and materials related postings will be done at logistics level, then sales and distribution, then sales, as I told you, inquiry, quotation, order, like that. Okay, order, we'll go to order, T code is VA01. T code is VA01. Double click on it. Order type, it will ask for order type. Order type means what kind of order you are going to place. So there are many type of orders will be there in SD department, like quotation as we discussed, then cash sales is there, that is the order type called CS, then CH contract handling, then CM standard order also there. Okay, then other one is DL order type scheduling agreement, delivery without order BR, then CR credit memo request. These are many types of orders are there. Consignment pickup, okay, then consignment fill up. These are the order document types which is maintained by ST people. Out of this we are going to select order type as OR. So let me scroll down. Yes, OR. Then I need to input my sales organization here, PS01, division 01, distribution channel 01, division R1, sales office. Yes, we are having sales office. This is my sales office. Then my sales group, I think I created 0001. Okay, you can, this is not mandatory. Sales officer and sales group is not mandatory. If you want, if you are having, you can assign it here, otherwise skip down. press enter. Okay, here I'll give the sold to party. Sold to party means my customer, for which customer I am selling the product. So I need to select my centralized customer. This is my centralized customer, and here also I can maintain ship to party address, or same customer I can maintain here. Okay, then here I need to mention the material. I think we had created the material, right? Material description. I think we had created steel rods, right? Steel rods or steel sheets, maybe. I'll check. Okay, this one is, I think. Okay, let me check. 25 quantity I am selling. Then plant PSP1. Let me check whether it is a, and I'm going to sell it for 1,000 rupees. Currency INR. Okay, this is not my material. Maybe I had given steel sheets, I think. Yes, PSD steel rods. This is my material, right? Okay, material. Distribution channel, language English. Two. One minute. Criteria. One minute, there is a error in material side, so let me check what are the errors. P1. No material selected. Okay, this part sales organization data we not maintain. That's the reason we are facing the error. Okay, so what we can do, we can extend the material or we can add the material for sales view. So here I am going to add divisions here, then tax one, then sales are data 2, general data, okay, sales text, and save. Font yes P1, yes, loading group, save. This is not required for you people because already maintained, okay, because it is already maintained for this transaction. Okay. We already did this one, that's the reason don't require. Okay, already maintained. Okay, we'll come and we'll go to sales order again. I'll check. Okay, I'll come out from the sales order again and re-enter. Sometimes it will not update, that's the reason I need to come outside and I need to re-enter all this data again. So I'll view 25 quantity and plant PSP1 and amount 1000 rupees, currency INR. Okay, now it is accepting. See, now it is accepting, right? Because while creating the material, we didn't add the sales view. I'll show how to create material with sales view after this session, means after this process. Okay, let me check all these things. Data, it is okay, 1000 rupees, or you can change the price also. If it is not happy with this price, you can change the price to 1100, 1200, like that. Okay, then double click on this. All after inputting all this data, just double click on this line item, then go to shipping. We are having so many tabs here. Just go to shipping here, and here I need to input the shipping data, where plant I need to maintain, storage location I need to maintain, then shipping point. If you click on this shipping point, or if you press F4 here, we will not get any data. We will not get any data because that data we not maintain as of now. Right, to maintain the shipping data, what I need to do, I need to go to T code OVLT L2, sorry, OVL2. It's a configuration related to logistics execution. It is configuration related to logistic execution, or else you can go through path, or else you can go through path. Go to MG level, logistic general is there, and one more thing is there, logistics execution. Okay.
Hello, good morning.
logistics execution in, go to there and shipping, basic shipping function, then shipping point and goods receiving point determination, and there click on assign shipping points. Already in the enterprise structure level we did assignment for shipping point, but here I need to come and once again I need to assign shipping point. Okay, so just click on that, then click on new entry, and here shipping condition. Shipping condition means standard condition I used to maintain the shipping, right? I'll select 02. Then loading group, how you are going to load the material to your shipping point. Manual way I am going to load. Then which plant? PSP1 is my plant, and this one is proposed shipping point. At the enterprise structure we had created shipping point. I'll select the same, and one more shipping point it is asking for, manual shipping point. Manual shipping point, again the same shipping point I need to select because only one shipping point we had maintained, right? That's the reason I'm going to assign shipping point, both same shipping point in both side, manual and proposed. And after that click on save. Okay, come back to sales order, or we can do it for another plant also, but it is not required. I'll go to sales order and shipping point, I'll select PSHP. Earlier it was not there, right? Earlier it was not there. For that purpose only we did configurations. After configurations we can able to see the shipping point here. So I'll select that one. Okay, now I'll come back to main screen. Okay, finished goods exist, not exist. RM, I'll take RM. Okay, RM it is taking. Okay, now it has come to this level. Okay, then if you want to check the entry whether it is correct or not, or any missing data is there, if you want to check, go to edit in menu bar and select incompletion log. Here we can get the details which is we missed. You click on incompletion log. See here we are having so many missed data, right? Schedule 1 line, loading date. So double click on that or click on complete data. Again click on complete data. Okay, loading data, we can give today's date. Okay, enter. Loading mostly before goods issue. Please check goods issue. Okay, I'm giving goods issue date as today's date and loading date also today's date. Again I'll come back. Okay, and we are having another missing data. Select that and click on complete data. Material availability date, I'll use today's date only. As of it is not required. This also transportation plan date also today's data. Enter, then come back. Then we are getting the message like document is complete. Whenever we did all or we inputted all the data, we'll get document is complete like message, right? Then after getting this message, I need to click on save. Click on save. If you observe, I'll go to sales display. If you observe, this is my order number 15805 is my order number. Press enter. If you observe, we posted the sales order today's date, right? We posted the sales order today's date, but the customer is requested delivery date when we are going to deliver the goods on 28th of June, right? Although we posted the entry on today's date, but customer delivery will be on 28/6/2021. His customer is looking for delivery in that date. Is not ready to receive the goods on tomorrow or day after tomorrow like that. He is looking for the material on 28/6th of June. Okay, is requested delivery date. Customer has requested delivery date. So on the basis of delivery, planned delivery time, it will be scheduled. Hope you remember while creating the material master. In MRP2, in MRP 2 we maintain planned delivery time. Planned delivery time 5 days I had given, right? So on that basis it will be picked up. In sales order it will picked up on the basis of 5 days, because today is Saturday and tomorrow is Sunday, and after that 5 days it will calculate. Working 5 working days it will calculate. I think 28th is next Monday, right? So it will calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after that it will get delivered to customer. Okay, that is sales order, right? That is sales order. Okay, now next, what is the next step? Next step is, after that, after the order, we are going to deliver the material to my customer. So for that I will go to T code VL01N, or the path shipping and transportation. Path easy access, logistics, sales and distribution, shipping and transportation, then outbound delivery, first one, then create single document VL01N with a reference of sales order. You just enter here. Okay, shipping point PS HP, I think. And remember here, if you are giving today's date, system will not accept. System will throw an error. We need to give the delivery date. So when we are going to deliver the goods, that date we need to mention here. Okay, then order 15805, press enter. Okay, now schedule lines. Okay, there is a problem in this sales order. We'll see, go to VS02 again. Go to VS02. There is a error called scheduling line, it is not maintained. Okay, double click on this material or this line item. Go to schedule line here. Okay, here we are having the order quantity, rounded quantity, but not yet confirmed. Order is not yet confirmed, so I need to mention 25 quantity. Document 105 has no checking the group. Okay, delivery block is not blocking anything. Schedule CN, what is CN? No MRP, okay, not is required. Save here. Now go to delivery now. Let me check whether can I able to. Okay, now I can able to see the delivery quantity, right? Then click on picking. I need to go to picking tab. The delivery quantity is 25, but from logistic department no one is picked up quantity. As I told you, what is the use of shipping point? Okay. So after delivery, logistics execution department should pick the quantity or pick the material, right? So here, see here, the status is not yet picked. In pick to quantity column, I need to input this 25 quantity. Press enter. See here the changes. Fully picked, right? After this, okay, come back to main screen again. Then click on post goods issue. Means we are issuing the material to my customer. Right, click on post goods issue. Okay, we are getting the integration related error. Already we did integration between FI and MM and FI and SD, but there is an integration between MM and SD because materials there in the storage location which is maintained by people, right? But this will be issued to customer, right? Customer through sales department, but material not has come to sales department. That's the reason we are getting the error like this. So what is this error? We'll discuss. Click on this question mark button. The account determination for entry PSCA. PSCA is my chart of account, GBB, and this is my valuation class. We discussed the valuation class at the time of integration of right? Valuation class, we are not able to send the material to SD department because of this issue, or for this valuation class we not mentioned any GL. For this valuation class, this is a valuation class, right? For this valuation class we not assigned any GL. That's the reason we are getting the error. Okay, for this kind of error, to solve this error, either you can click on this proceed button, or you can go to T code OBYC, or you can go to T code OBYC. Just click on this proceed button, it will take you to the OBYC screen itself. Click cancel, then click on account assignment. See here, we are in OBYC screen. So what is the error? In entry GBB, right? So double click on transaction GBB. Come little bit down, we are having the transaction GBB. Double click on it, and then it will ask for which chart of account you are going to maintain the changes. So PSCA is my chart of account. Enter. Already we did this, right? Already we did this one. Then here another thing, it is asking for valuation class. Here having the valuation class and valuation column, we are having valuation class column. We are having there. I need to input the 3000. 3000 is what? 3000 is valuation class for raw material. Okay, this is standard one. Okay, for that what will happen? Well, if you are issuing the material to your customer, what will happen? The stock value will be reduced, right? Stock value will be reduced, right? So what it is called as consumption of material, right? So that's the reason we need to give the consumption of raw material account. This 4 lakh is my consumption of raw material account. Enter. No need to give valuation modification here. Only give valuation class, debit and credit, and this is a number. This is a GL number for consumption of raw material account. While integrating with department, we had created the ledger consumption of raw material, right? Save this. Or you can go F4, company code PSD. This is consumption of material I am taking. Save this one. Okay, next I'll come back to say outbound delivery. Okay, let me check with post goods issue whether it is okay. We are getting one more error. This is related to finance. There we are not getting the number ranges for number range interval WL. Someone has changed the serial number. Okay, this is WL. I'll go to FBN1. There is a T code FBN1, or you can go to OBS1 also. I'll go to OBS7. Let me check. I'll try to change. And I'll take the document type RE. Gross invoice receipt. Right, this one. This is sales revenue, right? I'll go to RB. Okay, so I'll go to FBN1 directly and the company code PSD. Click on change interval and click on insert. I'll give the serial number as WL. Here it is asking for WL, right? Right, WL. This is WL serial number. It is not there. WL year 2021, and I'll give 53,000 to 53,993. Okay, it is already there. Give some other number. Scroll down. It's not there. Okay, so I have given the number 6200011100 and 6200011199, like that I am giving. Okay, save this. Okay, now come back to delivery. Okay, enter and click on post goods issue. Okay, it has been posted, right? It has been posted. Okay, next, what is that? Next, after this delivery, I need to send a bill to my customer. Okay, I'll go to billing section, or I'll go to T code VF01. Path easy access, logistics, sales and distribution, billing document, and VF01 create. This delivery document already picked from the system automatically. Okay, just click on enter or press enter. It will take you this screen. This much of amount I need to receive from a customer. Okay, so this kind of bill I am going to send to my customer. So here, double click on this item, line item, double click on line item. Then in account assignment group, select finished, you can select raw material also. Okay, I can write down trading goods, select trading goods, or finished goods, you can select anything. Select finished goods only. Okay, come back. Okay, now click on save. Okay, now there is a error. There is an error. So what is the error? I will see that one. Double click on this. Here we are not able to see the error. Okay, log. Okay, billing document. Display I can able to see, but it is not going to accounting department. Billing document. The 25,000 bill has been raised, but it is not going to accounting department. Okay, there is an error. Let me check what is that error is. Okay, I'll go to VF02 and click on release to accounting button. Now it is an error in account determination. Account determination is related to integration. For that, I'll go to VKOA. So in our previous class, we did configurations related to integration with SD, right? So there I need to go, or you can come through path IMG, sales and distribution, basic function, account assignment or costing, revenue account determination, and click on assign GL account. Okay, there double click on accounting key number 5, click on new entry. Already we did this one, right? Application V, that is sales and distribution. V stands for sales, Then condition type KOFI, that is account determination. With account determination I'm going to mention. Then chart of account PSCA, PSO1 is my sales organization, accounting key ERL. This ERL means sales revenue account, and this is my GL for revenue, sales revenue account. Okay, this one we missed, that's the reason we are getting the error. So click on save. Okay, next I'll come back to the billing section or billing T code. VF02 I'll go. Okay, I'll go to VF02 and click on this release to accounting button. This is a flag button is there, no? Just click on release to accounting button. Okay, now we can able to transfer the data from SD to F5. See here the changes. Document 900-39508 has been saved. Now you can go to FBL5N. If you can go in FBL5N and just select the customer company code and click on execute. We can able to see the values, right? This is a 25,000 value which is posted by SD department, that we can see in finance department with the help of integration. SD people never come to us and these are the transactions. They are not giving like that, right? These are the transaction we did. You can check the balance. They will not tell like that. Okay, we need to keep on checking in FBL5N, FBL3N, FBL1N. Whenever any transaction happens in that particular department, through integrations we can able to see in finance. This transaction is done in SD department. How you are going to come to know whether this is a finance transaction or SD transaction? With the help of this document type. With the help of this document type, RV. What is RV? OBS7. Go to OBS7. Position RV is billing transfer document. Right. This is billing transfer document. At the time of creation of document types in our beginning classes, we maintained the document types, right? So there we did finance related document types, then we did related document types, and now we are going to work with ESD related document types, right? With the help of this document types, we come to know that what kind of errors, what kind of entries, and where we got the transaction. Okay, so this is how we are going to integrate with SD, and we can see the process from SD to F5. Okay, this is all about integration. Next we'll move to asset accounting. Any doubt is there? Shall I continue or stop here? Okay, so any doubt is there? If it's not there, or we'll start the class from tomorrow. Asset accounting will start from tomorrow, okay? Okay, fine. We'll continue class tomorrow.